What his focus is he wants to have one good conversation per day. That's all. Joe's goal is to go a mile deep and an inch wide with one person per day, where he gets to know them. He gets to know their background, where they're from, what they're into, where they're going, what their goals are for their life. He gets to know them on such a strong level, and he spends almost the entire day with them. And that's his only goal. His goal's not, I want to get rid of all 500 of my brand new business cards that just got shipped overnight yesterday. His goal is, I want to make a connection. So the same thing. When you're on your podcast, let's go for deep, a mile deep and an inch wide. Fewer people. But at the same time, here's where I might differ a little bit from the email that I got from my friend. And what that is, that I know that it's also important to have the exposure. I know that it's important. So maybe you still put a couple of business cards on. Don't put it on the urinal, but maybe put them somewhere if you feel comfortable doing it. Maybe a little bit better is be a sponsor at that event instead of just trying to take. How about you also sponsor the event? So now you've got a booth, and now you're making more connections with more people. They're coming up after you. You're inviting them to be on your podcast. You are all of these things, and you're able to kind of go a mile deep. You're going to be able to go a little bit deeper and closer with fewer people. And the way that I want to end this podcast episode is that when we do this, we find that we get more referrals because we are connected with people, we know people. So we're getting a lot more referrals, we're getting a lot more relationships, and it's easier. Trying to remember all 500 or 1,000 people that you shook hands with and gave a business card to at this 4-day conference, trying to remember all of those 500 people is a challenge. It's not easy. You don't know anything about any of them, and they don't remember you, and they're probably never going to call you. But if you spend a little bit more time with people, going a little bit deeper, you're going to find that it's going to help your business a lot more.